Alright, everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the Fix Zone channel. Today we're tackling a super useful topic: how to watch any region's Netflix on your Mac using a VPN. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to download a VPN to your Mac. Open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Chrome here, but you can use whatever you like. Now, search for the VPN you want to use. In this example, we're going with IPVanish VPN. You can grab it through the link in the description below or the pinned comment. And hey, using that link gets you a special discount. Okay, once you're on the IPVanish website, hover over Apps in the top menu and click on Mac. This will take you to the Mac download page. Just click Download App, and choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop for easy access. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. You'll see the IPVanish logo. Simply drag and drop that logo into your Applications folder. It might take a minute or two to install, depending on your Mac speed. Alright, now that IPVanish is installed, you can close the installer and even delete it from your desktop if you want to keep things tidy. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm going through Launchpad here. Since it's the first time you're opening it, you'll get a prompt. Click Open. Boom. You're at the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details to log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, seriously, hit that link in the description or pinned comment to snag a sweet discount. When you log in for the first time, it'll ask you to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. And just like that, you're ready to start using the VPN. But we're here for Netflix, right? So, let's change our Netflix region. Go back to your web browser and head to Netflix. Sign into your account and choose a profile. I found this works more reliably on Chrome than Safari, so keep that in mind. Alright, minimize your browser window for a sec and go back to IPVanish. Click on Locations in the left-hand side menu. Now, choose the Netflix region you want to access. For example, if you want the US version of Netflix, pick a US server. That's what I'm going to do. Once you found a country, there are tons of options. Choose a server that's either closest to you or has the lowest load. I'm going with Boston because it's nearby. After you select a server, it'll connect in a few seconds. Now you're browsing the internet as if you were in that country.
Minimize IPVanish again and go back to your web browser. Refresh the Netflix page.
After a brief refresh, the page will update, and you'll be browsing that region's version of Netflix. See? It says Top 10 TV Programs in the US today right here. Now just pick the show you want to watch and start streaming. It's that easy. So remember to hit the link in the description or pinned comment to get that exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.